What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a special giveaway for you guys. So we are going to be testing out some of these products from CleanPacs. They actually sent me these to try out and then also sent me 2 boxes for 2 different giveaway winners. So I am going to put all the details for the giveaway down below in the description box. So what CleanPacs is, it's just like eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning products. The awesome thing about them is that they use less bottles, so there's less bottles entering the landfills by just using these little like packs, these dissolving packs that you just kind of throw into the bottle, and then that creates the solution. So we're going to go ahead and talk more about it later on in the video, but for now I'm going to go ahead and just start cleaning. So the first thing I'm doing here is just kind of cleaning off my dresser. You guys know I like to use the Method wood cleaner. It smells amazing, and so I just kind of have to declutter the things that we had on our dresser. So now we're going to go ahead and wash the blankets. I like to wash our blankets once a week, sometimes a week and a half, but I definitely like to wash our blankets as often as possible. So in your CleanPacs box that you win, or when you purchase one online, you will be provided with some laundry detergent. So I went ahead and put a few of the laundry detergent packs in the washer to test out with my bedding. So right now we're kind of just decluttering the space, putting everything back in its spots. I am having to pick up hubby's clothes off the floor again, but I feel like it's becoming less and less, so he's learning. So I'm going to go ahead and make this solution right now. They did provide a bathroom cleaner and a glass cleaner. It has 3 little packs in the container. So I'm going to go ahead and just put one of those packs in the 24-ounce bottle of water. So they're actually very safe if your kids do get a hold of them. So that's really good to know. So you're going to just go ahead and shake up your product, and that is when your water will change colors and you know the solution is ready. So one thing I do want to mention is the glass cleaner. I absolutely love this glass cleaner now, better than any of my glass cleaners. You can kind of see me get excited here after I clean my mirror, but there was no smears at all. Like, I have not realized like how clean and clear my mirror can get until I use this product. So that I'm really excited about. So right now we're going to go ahead and start doing some laundry. This is kind of embarrassing. I have tons of laundry to do, so I'm just keeping it real, showing it all in this video. This is a whole house cleaning video, so you're going to see pretty much the whole house today. And I do want to mention that there's also subscription plans available for your CleanPacs products if you guys were looking into that. You know, I love subscription plan based stuff. It's just easier for things to come at the same time monthly once you run out of your products. So right over here, I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my little office space and just kind of go through the papers, throw away any trash, mail, and then organize and file away some of the important papers. So this area was super dusty. I went ahead and took my wood cleaner and cleaned off this little entertainment center here. And then my TV has smudges on it, but I don't like to use any products on it. I just kind of take the drier side of a rag and wipe it down and dust it. But I do need to figure out how I can get some of those smudges off so I can have a clean TV. If you guys have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Today I had to do a lot of vacuuming. I basically vacuumed the whole upstairs, which was really awesome because I love a fresh, clean, vacuumed carpet. I'm gonna go ahead and check how my laundry is. I did like the smell. It was a really mild smell, but it was a clean smell. So right here, Ava is trying to help with cleaning. She loves grabbing the vinegar and water bottle and spraying everything. So I just kind of let her do it. So now we have moved downstairs. Yes, the Olympics is on TV. That is like been playing all day, every day at my house. So right now I'm just kind of picking up any trash or anything that doesn't belong in the living room and cleaning it up and putting it back where it belongs, fixing the pillows, kind of organizing things a little bit before I clean off the coffee table and end table. Also, I feel like I'm cleaning repetitively. Like, you guys are seeing me clean the same thing. So if you guys have any other suggestions, any other cleaning video suggestions or ideas or anything you want to see specifically or know about, let me know down in the comments. I would love to make some new videos for you guys that you guys are going to enjoy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pick up Ava's Play-Doh toys. She's been really loving Play-Doh, this Play-Doh set lately. So that's been keeping her busy and Play-Doh all over the place. I do like to use that mat and kind of set it down so she can play her Play-Doh on top of that instead of on top of the kitchen table. Those are the roses from my hubby from Valentine's Day. If you guys aren't following my Instagram, go ahead and head over there. Follow me over there because I do a lot of posts and kind of updates and fill in kind of what I do during the day and things like that. So if you're interested, go ahead and follow me over there. So right now I'm just filling up my sink. I like to fill up my sink with hot water, hot soapy water, put all the dishes in there, and then it just makes it where I run water a little bit less. So that is what I'm doing right here. So basically now that the dishes have soaked, I don't really need to use water. I just kind of take them out of the soapy water and throw them in the dishwasher for an extra clean. And there is Remy. So right now I'm just kind of sorting through mail, and I'm going to put the papers we aren't using into the recycle. So now we're going to go ahead and make our kitchen cleaner out of the CleanPacs product. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the little dissolving pack in there, fill it up with water, shake it, and then I have my solution. So I did test this out on the counters and the sink, and I really like the smell. It's like an orangey type smell, and it was fresh and it cleaned it quite good. So I am happy about that. Overall, I have nothing but good things to say about this product. It was very easy to use and it cleaned up nicely, and you know, I just like supporting non-toxic, non-chemically type products. So really I support any organization or company that is trying to make a difference in the world. So this is a company to definitely check out if you guys are interested. The description box will have all of their information, so don't forget to check them out. Right here I'm just kind of cleaning out my sink. I always have to like dry up all the dishwater, clean the sink. I have to take any food, anything out of it. I like it shiny and pretty and clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and use these Women's wipes. I know I've said before in a video that I did not like them, but then one of you guys suggested using a paper towel or a dry rag after I use the wipes and dry it up, rub the product in, and it actually made it really shiny, and I love the result. Turn up the collar. So ever since having a puppy, you guys do not know how dirty my window has been. So it was really nice to clean up all the little paw prints all over the window. And over, you cry yourself to sleep. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and sweep my whole downstairs. It needed to be swept. So that's what we're doing here. I like to get under the table, pull the chairs out, every nook and cranny I can get. Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars. In my living room there is quite a bit of dust. We've just recently changed out the filter, so I don't know quite why there's so much dust in the living room, but I did open up the windows to kind of let it air out. And then this is our little gym workout area. I am doing Beachbody coaching now, which I'm super excited about. We have been doing the programs here at home, and I'm just super excited to be a part of that, and that's where we do our workouts. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my Bona product into my mop. I do need to get a second one of these mops to make it easier, because I only use the Bona product on my laminate floors, and then I use other products on my bathroom floors. So I really need to get a second one of these so I don't have to switch between the bottles and fill them up and empty them and waste and all of that. So now we're just going to do a quick mop. anyway, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this really long video today and this whole house cleaning. Don't forget to go check out CleanPacs. All their information will be down below in the description box. And I will see you guys again for Wednesday's video. I love you guys so much and thank you so much for watching. Bye.